Welcome fam, Coach Reed here. If your hips feel tight, your lower back is stiff, or your legs just feel sluggish in the morning, this 5-move routine is exactly what you need. So you're in the right place. But you might ask, who's this routine meant for? Well, if you sit for hours and feel tight in your lower body, this routine is for you. If you want to unlock deep squat mobility, this routine is for you. If your hips and glutes need more flexibility and strength, this routine is for you. What you need? No equipment is needed. Just your mat, your breath, and 5 minutes of your time. We're starting with a deep squat mobility drill, moving into hip opening stretches, and finishing with a powerful glute release. By the end of the session, your hips will feel open, your glutes will be activated, and you'll move through your day with ease. And if you sit at a desk for hours, I've got something special for you. Stick through to the end, and I promise you, you won't want to miss out. Let's hit the mat. Let's start by unlocking deep squat mobility while stretching the spine and shoulders. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower into a deep squat, keeping your heels on the ground. Place one hand on the ground for support and rotate the other arm toward the sky. Hold for 1 second, then switch sides. Keep alternating for 1 minute, moving with control. This boosts hip mobility, strengthens the legs, and improves thoracic spine rotation. Beginners use a wall or chair for support. Advanced stretchers hold the rotation for longer to deepen the stretch. Feeling your hips opening up? Just wait until the next move. Now that we've warmed up, let's drop even deeper into a stretch that will change your squat game. Now let's take things up a notch with an even deeper hip opener. Stand with your feet wider than hip width apart. Drop into a deep squat, keeping your elbows inside your knees. Use your elbows to gently press your knees outward while keeping your chest tall. Hold for 1 minute, breathing deeply. This stretch opens up the hips, improves lower body flexibility, and strengthens the squat position. Beginners keep the hands on the floor for support. Advanced stretches add gentle pulses to increase flexibility. Think your hips are open now? The next stretch will show you where you're really tight. Now, let's give your glutes some serious attention. Time to release deep tension in the glutes with figure 4 stretch. Lie on your back with both feet on the floor. Cross your right ankle over your left knee. Reach through and grab behind your left thigh. Gently pull your left leg toward your chest while keeping your right knee open. Hold for 30 seconds, breathing into the stretch. This relieves tightness in the glutes and lower back, reducing discomfort from prolonged sitting. Beginners, keep the left foot on the floor for a lighter stretch. Advanced stretches, use your elbow to gently press the right knee open. Now that one side is loose, let's even it out for perfect balance. Let's switch sides and keep the stretch going. Now, let's balance out the stretch on the left side. Cross your left ankle over your right knee. Reach through and grab behind your right thigh. Gently pull your right leg towards your chest while keeping your left knee open. This prevents muscular imbalances and ensures both sides of the hips stay flexible. Beginners keep the right foot on the floor for a lighter stretch. Advanced stretches, try rocking gently side to side to increase the stretch. And just like I promised, if you sit at a desk for hours, your body needs more than just this routine. I've got something special for you in the description. Go grab a free desk worker stretching guide. It's packed with morning, midday, evening stretches. desk workout, office ergonomic tip, and the best moves to stay pain-free all day. It's linked in the description, so go grab it now. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session, and let's go.